Hi, I'm Ron Nespor with Miller Industries, and today we're going to talk about lubricating the AutoGrip wheel lift. The first grease fitting we want to mention is located on top of the crossbar pivot. It's designed to locate the whole pivot surface of the crossbar pivot plate and the pivot head. Fill this grease fitting with grease and rotate the crossbar as shown to work the grease around the pivot surface. The next grease fitting we want to talk about lubricates both the pivot pin and the bottom pivot plate of the crossbar and pivot head. That grease fitting is located in the center of the pivot head, across from the pivot pin and between the hydraulic hoses. This grease fitting is on both sides of the pivot head, so in total there are three grease fittings for locating the crossbar pivot. Next, we want to talk about the arm pivot. There's a grease fitting here. Lubricate that grease fitting and rotate the arms to work the grease in. There's one more grease fitting for the arm rotation cylinder. This pin doesn't actually pivot, but we want it lubricated to make sure that the pin does not seize to the cylinder mount. And finally, the chains that do the rotation of the arms, lubricate them with motorcycle chain lube. Motorcycle chain lube has a sticky quality to it so it doesn't run off. That's a good way to lubricate the chains to prevent them from corroding. Subscribe to our news feed for more tips and to stay up to date with new products from Miller Industries.
This video is for product demonstration purposes only and is not intended for training or instructional purposes. Situations vary, and operators should rely on their own professional knowledge and safety procedures when conducting actual recoveries.